Composite doors offer better insulation and security than timber or uPVC. Here are the 10 key things to check before you buy. From Axiom Eco Homes. A straightforward composite door swap should take around half a day to install. Even an error of 2 to 3 millimeters in width or height can cause draughts or void your warranty. A GRP skin over a timber or foam core gives better thermal performance and durability. Consider an integrated or upgraded letterbox for better insulation and security. Most reputable composite doors come with a 10-year guarantee covering the door skin, core, and locking mechanism. An A-rated door can save around £100 to £150 a year on heating costs compared to a G-rated door. A 5-point locking mechanism meets the PAS 24 security standard required by many insurers. Aim for a BFRC rating of A or above to cut heat loss by up to 50%. Composite doors last 25 to 35 years, outperforming uPVC at 15 to 25 and timber at 10 to 20 years. A certified composite door can cut heat loss through your front entrance by up to 50% compared to an old timber door. For expert advice on composite doors for your home, visit Axiom Eco Homes today.